Subscribe our YouTube channel and hit notification bell never to miss an update from Agilemania YouTube channel. Hi there, welcome to this video on how to achieve a successful Agile implementation. Agile is a popular software development methodology that emphasizes flexibility, collaboration, and quick iterations to deliver value to customers. It has gained popularity in recent years due to its ability to deliver products and services to customers more efficiently and effectively. In this video, we'll discuss the key factors that make an Agile implementation successful and provide tips and strategies for teams and organizations looking to adopt Agile. So, let's get started. We will divide the process of implementing Agile into 3 parts to make it easy for you to understand and execute. Part 1: Understanding Agile. Before we dive into how to implement Agile, let's first define what it is. Agile is a project management methodology that emphasizes collaboration, iteration, and customer feedback. It's based on the Agile Manifesto, which prioritizes individuals and interactions, working software, customer collaboration, and responding to change. Agile is typically used in software development, but can be applied to any project or team. There are several Agile frameworks, including Scrum, Kanban, and Lean, but they all share some key principles. These include iterative development. Agile projects are broken down into small, manageable pieces that can be completed in short timeframes, typically 1 to 4 weeks. Cross-functional teams. Agile teams are typically made up of people with diverse skill sets, including developers, designers, testers, and project managers. Continuous feedback. Agile projects prioritize customer feedback, and teams iterate quickly based on that feedback. Transparency. Agile teams share progress and challenges openly and frequently, so everyone is aware of what's happening and can course correct as needed. Now that we understand what Agile is, let's move on to how to implement it successfully. Part 2: Preparing for Agile implementation. Before you start implementing Agile, it's important to do some preparation work to set your team up for success. Here are some key steps to take. Assess your team's readiness for Agile. Not all teams are ready for Agile, so it's important to assess whether your team has the necessary skills and mindset to adopt Agile. This might involve conducting a skills assessment or doing some training to get everyone up to speed. Define your goals and metrics. This includes questioning yourself, what is that you hope to achieve with Agile? Are you looking to deliver software faster, improve customer satisfaction, or reduce costs? It's important to define your goals and metrics upfront so you can measure your progress and adjust your approach as needed. Choose an Agile framework. There are several Agile frameworks to choose from, including Scrum, Kanban, and Lean. Each has its own benefits and drawbacks, so it's important to choose one that aligns with your team's needs and goals. Define roles and responsibilities. Agile teams have specific roles and responsibilities, including product owners, Scrum Masters, and development teams. It's important to define these roles upfront so everyone knows what's expected of them. Set up your Agile tools. Agile projects require specific tools, such as a project management tool like Jira, a version control system like Git, and a continuous integration/continuous deployment (CI/CD) tool like Jenkins. Make sure your team has access to these tools and knows how to use them. Part 3: Implementing Agile. Now that you've done the preparation work, it's time to implement Agile. Here are some key steps to take. Start small. Agile is a big change for most teams, so it's important to start small and gradually expand your Agile implementation over time. This might mean starting with a single team or project and gradually scaling up. Create backlog. This involves listing of work items your team plans to complete during a project sprint. The time duration for a sprint can range from a week to 30 days, depending on the project requirements and company goals. The backlog should be reviewed and updated regularly to ensure that it remains relevant and aligned with the project objectives. Conduct Agile ceremonies. Agile projects involve several ceremonies, including daily stand-ups, sprint planning meetings, and sprint reviews. Make sure your team understands the importance of these ceremonies and how to conduct them. These meetings will help the team identify roadblocks and come up with solutions. If you want to learn about these Agile ceremonies in detail, you can visit our Agile glossary and other resources we have curated. Please check the description box for the same. Adapt and improve. Agile is an iterative process, which means you should continuously adapt and improve. Use feedback from your team to identify areas for improvement and adjust your Agile implementation plan accordingly. In conclusion, achieving a successful Agile implementation requires careful planning and execution. By following these key steps, you can ensure that your Agile implementation is effective and delivers the desired outcomes. Remember to involve all stakeholders, create a backlog, conduct sprint planning, implement agile practices, and continuously improve the process. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this.